Hello students, I am Professor Pallavi Shezwar from Kekewa College of Food Technology, Nasik, Department of Food Engineering. Today we will discuss on Simpson's rule. First, we just recall what is the trapezoidal rule. In previous video, we see that what is the trapezoidal rule and example based on this. The link is given in the description box. So trapezoidal rule is integration x0 to x0 plus nh y dx is equal to h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 up to yn minus 1. That means integration x0 to x0 plus nh y dx is equal to h by 2 sum of first and last ordinates plus 2 into sum of remaining ordinates. First we see Simpson's one-third rule. In numerical analysis, Simpson's rule is a method for a numerical integration, the numerical approximation of definite integrals. Numerical analysis is a method for the numerical integration like a trapezoidal rule. So, the numerical approximation of definite integrals. It is known as Simpson's one-third rule. It is applicable for even number of intervals. See how to define the Simpson's one-third rule. Putting n is equal to 2 in trapezoidal rule and taking the curve through x0, y0, x1, y1 and x2, y2 as a parabola. See in the figure, when we put n is equal to 2 in trapezoidal rule and taking the curve from x0, y0, x1, y1 and x2, y2 is a parabola. So, integration x0 to x0 plus 2h f of x dx is equal to 2 into h y0 plus delta y0 plus 1 upon 6 delta square of y0, which is equal to h by 3 y0 plus 4y1 plus y2. Similarly, if we take the integration x0 plus 2h to x0 plus 4h f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y2 plus 4y3 plus y4. Similarly, integration x0 plus n minus 2h x0 plus nh f of x dx is equal to h by 3 yn minus 2 plus 4 into yn minus 1 plus yn, n being even. Adding all these integrals, we have when n is even, so adding all these integrals, we get integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 times y1 plus y3 plus up to yn minus 1 plus 2 times y2 plus y4 up to yn minus 2. This is known as Simpson's one-third rule or simply Simpson rule, and it is most commonly used. See again, what is the Simpson's one-third rule? Simpson's one-third rule is integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx, or we can write it as integration a to b f of x dx is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 up to yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 up to yn minus 2, where h is equal to b minus a upon a, or simply we can say integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx is equal to h by 3 sum of first and last ordinates plus 4 times sum of odd ordinates plus 2 times sum of even ordinates. So this is a simple Simpson's one-third rule. Note, in this rule y of x is a polynomial of degree 2 and the error is of order h raised to 4. The error of the Simpson's one-third rule is of order h raised to 4. Next we see Simpson's 3/8 rule. Putting n is equal to 3 in trapezoidal rule and taking the curve through xi, yi to 0, 1, 2, 3 as a polynomial of the third order, so that differences above the third order vanish. See in the figure, if we substitute n is equal to 3 in trapezoidal rule and taking the curve through xi, x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 as a polynomial of the degree 3. See in the figure, so that the differences above the third order vanish. So we get integration x0 to x0 plus 3h fx dx is equal to 3h into y0 plus 3 by 2 delta of y0 plus 3 by 4 delta square of y0 plus 1 by 8 delta cube of y0, which is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3. Similarly, integration x0 plus 3h to x0 plus 5h f of x dx is equal to 3h upon 8 y3 plus 3y4 plus 3y5 plus y6 and so on. Adding all such expressions from x0 to x0 plus nh, where n is a multiple of 3, we obtain integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 up to yn minus 1 plus 2 into y3 plus y6 up to yn minus 3. So Simpson's 3/8 rule is integration x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus up to yn minus 1 plus 2 times y3 plus y6 up to yn minus 3. In short, we can write it as 3h by 8 sum of first and last ordinate plus 3 times sum of ordinates plus 2 times sum of ordinates multiplied by 3 plus 3 times sum of the remaining ordinates. Note, in this y of x is a polynomial of order 3. The error is of order h raised to 5. It is applicable for the intervals which is multiple of 3. So the error is of order h raised to 5, and when we apply Simpson's 3/8, it is applicable for the intervals which is multiple of 3. See some examples based on Simpson's rule. Example number first, evaluate integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square by using first trapezoidal rule, second Simpson's 1/3 rule, third Simpson's 3/8. This is the most common example. Divide the interval 0 to 6 into 6 parts, each of width h is equal to 1. The values of f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square are given below. So divide the interval 0 to 6, we get the values of x. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Substitute the values of x in f of x, we get f of x is 1, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0.0588, 0.0385, 0.027. So values of y, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. First we use the trapezoidal rule. Integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square is equal to h by 2 y0 plus y6 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Substitute all this value, we get the answer 1.410 by using the trapezoidal rule. Second, use the Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square is equal to h by 3 sum of first and last coordinate plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates plus 2 into sum of even ordinates, that is, which is equal to 1 upon 3. Substitute the values 1 plus 0.027 plus 4 into 0.5 plus 0.1 plus 0.0385 plus 2 into 0.2 plus 0.0588, which is equal to 1.3662. Third, by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, we use the Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square is equal to 3h by 8 y0 plus y6 plus 3 times y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5 plus 2 into y3. See, 2 into sum of multiples of 3. Here y6 is also multiple of 3, but y6 is a last ordinate, so never take y6 again. Solving this, substitute all the values in this formula, we get the answer 1.3571. So by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, integration 0 to 6 dx upon 1 plus x square is 1.3571. Take the second example. Evaluate the integral integration 0 to 1 x square upon 1 plus x cube dx using Simpson's 1/3 rule and compare the error with the exact value. We divide 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts so that h is equal to 0.25. Taking y is equal to x square upon 1 plus x cube, we have x is equal to, see the values of x is equal to 0, 0.25, 0.50, 0.75 and 1. Substitute the values of x in y. So y is 0, 0.06153, 0.2222, 0.39560, 0.5. So y0 is 0, y1 is 0.06153, y2 is 0.2222, y3 is 0.39560 and y4 is 0.5. We use the Simpson's 1/3 rule. So Simpson's 1/3 rule, we have integration 0 to 1 x square upon 1 plus x cube dx is equal to h by 3 sum of first and last ordinate, that means y0 plus y4 plus 2 times sum of even ordinate, that is y2 plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates, that is y1 plus y3. Substitute the values 0.25 upon 3 in bracket 0 plus 0.5 plus 2 into 0.2222 plus 4 into 0.06153 plus 0.3956. After solving this, we get which is equal to 0.23108. Next, we have to find out its actual value. So we directly take the integration. So integration 0 to 1 x square upon 1 plus x cube dx is equal to 1 upon 3 log of 1 plus x cube 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. So we get 1 upon 3 log of e. So after solving this integration, we get the answer 0.23108. So thus the error is 0.23105. Thus the error is subtract the both values 0.23108 minus 0.23105. We get the answer minus 0.00003. So thus the error is minus 0.0003. This is a small error. So in this video, we see that what is the Simpson's 1/3 rule, what is the 3 by 8 Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, and the example based on this. Thank you.